How to enable color correction, and of course where to find it. This is with Samsung phones running Android 15 One UI 7.0. If you're interested in having another color to view on your display, such as color correction, or you just simply need it, use the quick access, tap on the settings toggle right here, and in the search bar here, go ahead and type in the words color correction. That's gonna help you find it very fast, all right? So correction, spelled it correctly. All right, so once you search it here, you'll see a few suggestions here, and we're going to look for the one that's under the accessibility one here, right? Some Samsung phones may appear different, but it's this one right here under accessibility. As you enter here now, you're gonna see all these other options, and it's gonna be found under vision enhancements. So go down and you'll see color correction. Now that you enter here now, there are two things that you will notice. One, the on and off switch, and there's also a shortcut. So let's just say you want to turn it on for now and kind of experiment with it. Just go down a little bit. You have the intensity here and the different color layout. Every time you switch a different color, you'll notice how they are a bit different, all right? And we got this one here, which definitely looks so different. Let's turn this back on. I turned it off by mistake. All right, so and the grayscale, which is going to give you the black and white colors. So if you have been looking for any of these here, this is where you would go about. Notice how all the apps and everything is in a sort of different colors. This is not color inversion or inverted colors, just so you know. Now, with the shortcut here, this option right here, you can turn it on from here, and you can have it as part of the quick buttons here, the little floating icon that appears to your navigation bar here. I will select this as an option, and using the volume keys or the power button together to quickly enable it as a shortcut. So I'll just show you here quickly now. As you can see, it is turned on at the moment. And with the shortcut enabled, instead of going into the main settings and finding it and disabling it or whatnot, with this little toggle here, you can turn it on and off any given time to the last set color correction settings you had it on, okay? And of course, whenever you're ready to remove this shortcut, you can always come back here to the main settings, look for color correction, and disable the shortcut there. That'll turn it off. And of course, you can also turn it on and off from here. And usually you can also have it in the quick access here. You'll just have to look for it here. If you don't see it, you can use the edit icon, go to edit, and you will see the color filter, color inversion, those are that. And it would also be color correction. Okay, so not all Samsung phones will have it, but if it does, you will see it there, and then you can add it in. So you can see this one here, color correction, it would be that one, and you can add it like instead.